How to get roadside help for a problem with your thrifty rental vehicle. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, in the thrifty problem with vehicle page, you'll find this kind of screen. Now, if you have a problem with vehicle, you can simply go to the nearest location you collected your vehicle from. You may stop by that location to request an exchange. If not, you can call Thrifty Emergency Roadside Service at 800-654-5060 to request assistance. Do not have the vehicle towed without first contacting Thrifty Emergency Roadside Assistance. Also, only if you have premium, they won't charge you anything for emergency roadside assistance. But if you're not the premium member, you will be charged for the roadside assistance. So this is how to get roadside help for a problem with your thrifty rental vehicle. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.